We're going to work on a great stretch next, a unilateral stretch for your hamstrings, and I like to call it the bow down. So we need to start in a kneeling position and then move into a rifleman stance. From this point, take another step forward, and what you're going to do, you can reach up and come down, hence the slight bowing position. Of what you're going to do is straighten that front leg and sink the hips backwards. Keep that front leg locked out. You can even touch the floor if you need that extra bit of balance. If you haven't got the mobility to touch the floor, but you're finding you're very tense, so therefore can't go into the stretch anymore, put your hands on your back leg to try and release some of that tension and give you the support. But eventually, you want to be aiming for getting the fingers down to the floor, lean back, put your hips rearwards to get that stretch. If you want to go a little bit deeper, you can think about trying to drive that heel into the floor. And there you have the bow down stretch. Make sure you do it on the other side for an equal amount of time as well.